Now that we have all of our lemons and limes cut up, we are gonna take our little contraption here. It's just a ring, and we're gonna stick that right in the middle here. Now we're gonna start to take each little piece and put it right down every other. So we're gonna do lemon, lime, lemon, lime, lemon, and lime. And you really want them to be tucked right in there. As you can see, they're just facing outwards. This is gonna be the most beautiful centerpiece that you can ever make for a party. So now we're gonna go in with some rosemary. We're just gonna take a couple sprigs and kind of lay them down around the outside as our top layer here. And you're just gonna push it right down on top of the lemons. We're gonna go back in with one more lemon, lime, lime, and lemon. This is gonna be so beautiful. We're gonna make an ice mold out of this and wait till you see what we put right inside of the ice mold. Now, I think the more simple the better, so we are gonna just go right